My bag. I ain't say shit. I said that's my bag. Who told you to get my bag out of there? Who told you to get my bag? Give it back to me. What? You gonna lay on my bag? So disrespectful, dog. Now we going washing and the dog took our bag. Decided he gonna tear it up. Can I have my bag back, please? Give my bag. Look, he's trying to hold the bag. Look, he's biting on it. Trying to keep the bag. Let it go. No. No. Thank you. Now he don't want to do that. Man. I